Hello, today we're going to show you how to set up the Blackjet TX-2DS docking system with the CFast cards. Here we have the 2DS docking system, the DX-1C CFast module, and the CFast card. With the new TX-2DS docking system, you have to insert the media card into the module first. Let me demonstrate. And then you insert it into the dock. After you insert the module into the docking, you just plug in your Thunderbolt 3 cable and get it set up to your system. After connecting the Thunderbolt 3 cable to your system, now you can wait for the icon for the disk to show up on your desktop. Once it shows up, double click, and now you can browse your files. Hopefully this video was helpful, and talk to you next time.